PPC audits are vital to measure performance and pinpoint issues. This is one of the most important steps to capture leads and show them how your agency can help fulfill their goals. This video will share 5 common mistakes your sales teams can identify during a PPC audit. If you want to stay in the know of online marketing trends, be sure to subscribe to our channel and activate the notifications button. Feel free to leave your questions in the comments as our experts will address them as they come up. Now, let's get started. Skipping conversion tracking. Tracking codes provide the data to understand investment results and make pitches all the more convincing for your clients. 2 usual issues surround this topic. Some neglect tracking while others are verifying their validity. If you do not see data in your client's campaign, you should verify that they have their codes installed. Many end-advertisers give up on PPC because they cannot understand how their campaigns are doing. Also, verify that your clients are not tracking the same goal through Google Analytics and Google Ads, as double tracking creates inconsistency and unrealistic reports. Deficient keyword relevance and unnecessary spend. Keywords are the foundation of any PPC campaign. This error won't reveal itself until it hurts your click-through rate. So how can you identify this issue? Ask these questions. Are there any keywords repeated? If the previous account manager made frequent adjustments on match type or account settings, he or she might have duplicated keywords without even realizing it. Some advertisers even set duplicates intentionally, thinking that their ad will appear twice for the same auction. Are there too many keywords per ad group? Our PPC strategies recommend a max of 10 keywords per ad group. Are the keywords relevant to the ad group and landing page? If the answer is no, your client is hurting its quality score and ad position. Are there enough negative keywords? These lists avoid impressions and clicks outside of your client's target audience and intent. Not setting these up leads to unnecessary budget spend and unsatisfactory results. Having low optimization frequencies. Regular optimizations are important in PPC as features are continually evolving and seasonality shifts consumer behavior. Consider the size of your client's account before proposing a schedule. Larger accounts gather more data and should be reviewed more frequently. Let me give you some ideas on how optimizations can be broken down. For weekly optimizations, suggest reviewing bids, budget, and the search terms report. Based on this data, advertisers can add negative keywords or negative placements. Bi-monthly, suggest revisiting keywords, targeted location, ad schedule, devices, demographics, and audiences. For monthly optimizations, suggest focusing on ad copy performance. If reviews reveal underperforming headlines or descriptions, recommend making changes or A/B testing. Also, make sure you suggest revisiting keywords, ad groups, and campaign results. Choosing the wrong bidding strategy. If your clients are using manual CPC, make sure you review performance on various levels: location, ad schedule, audiences, and devices. Some common pitfalls include too high of budgets with limited data burns a hole through your client's pocket. Not enough budget will prevent performance insights and competitiveness. On the other hand, if your clients are leveraging automated bidding, emphasize on how essential it is to monitor and direct its course to improve its ability to help PPC campaigns. And this takes us to our last common mistake: using automation with a set and forget mentality. Automation helps with bidding and short-term processes such as audience, copy, and image display. Naturally, this frees up time to focus on other aspects of an account, allowing account managers to work smarter and not harder. However, errors arise when these tools are left to a set and forget mode. Without constant updates and optimizations, campaigns will veer off course. Takeaways. Account audits help sales teams pinpoint fallbacks and help prospects adjust. Knowing what to look for is essential. However, it also takes time and requires expertise to navigate the Google Ads and Microsoft advertising platforms while analyzing results and account setup. To perfect our audit processes and elevator pitches, we did our homework and created an audit tool to help sales teams effortlessly capture leads. At Insights, our white label PPC software goes above the standard to help your PPC sales teams understand campaign errors. This service allows agencies to scan any Google or Microsoft advertising account within minutes and retrieve the detailed audit that will have any prospect ready to sign on the dotted line. If you want to see Ad Insights in action and learn more about all of its features and complementary products, leave your comments below, visit our website, or send us an email. All of the necessary information is in the video description.